Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Handicrafting can be described as a basic part of daily life in traditional Hakka villages such as the Dongshi township of Taichung. The Hakka people are exceptionally skilled at utilizing their surrounding resources. Handmade clothing and handcrafted toys are just two examples of the many items made by each family. Also extremely skilled at bamboo weaving, the Hakka also produce everything from bamboo-made dustpans and baskets to toys and fans.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling Lim Zepsiu. And today, instead of Leo taking us to somewhere, I want to go ahead and ask him about a place I went a few weeks ago. 与其呢要 Leo 呢介绍一些新的城镇啦，还有客家庄啦，我其实想问一个地方，因为我觉得这个地方还蛮特别的，在台中县。然后呢，它是专门里面的这个工艺馆呢，有一些竹编的一些东西在那里。
啊，我知道，
你马上知道。
我去过。
I was just there a few weeks ago, and it's the Handicraft Museum displaying some of the best bamboo handcrafts. 其实这些呢，所有的这个艺术品跟这个工具呢，都是用手工制作的。
哦，手工做的。
哦，手工做的。
Okay. 就是手工做的，
手工就是手工，
对对，就是手工。
so 手工 those two words already means handmade， 手工的意思，对不对？
对啊，对啊。其实早期的客家人生活当中有很多东西都是用竹子去做的，因为竹子到处都会生长，然后很便宜。像那个扫地用的那个畚箕，本机对对对对对。
That's right. A lot of items are made of bamboo, and one of them is the dust collector. You know that little thing that you use when you sweep the floor with your broom?
还有那个济公活佛，你知道吗？他手上会不会拿一个东西？
扇子。
对对对，我们也会用那个竹子去编一个竹扇子走山呢。
哇，这种扇子应该很有分量的感觉哈。
对啊，对，你可以编得很大，然后扇起来
一定风很大。
对，风很大，很凉，
很凉的感觉。这个 another common item that's made of bamboo is the handheld fan， 也就是手拿着这个扇子啊。我看到的在这个工艺馆里面也有很多所谓的菜篮
就是
比较实际，
菜篮族那个
菜篮族的那个菜篮，对，
也是有啊，叫吹篮妹，
吹篮妹 ，OK， that's a basket, and that's one of the most common item you can find made of bamboo. So there you go. You should really check out this museum found in Taichung County. 在台中县的这个编织工艺馆里面有更多不一样的东西。
大家可以去看一看。
And that's for today's talk about Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.